Okay. Hi guys, I'm here with Julia from Vellaquin. Now I'll pop her link down below. She makes she's an artist, and she makes and hand draws and hand paints these amazing wall decals that you can put on your wall like in rentals. So you can actually take them down, move them with you, not move them with you, but move them around the house just once, and it's not going to wreck the walls, and you can do them again and like buy more and move into a new rental, and doesn't do anything wrong. It's really clever, and it's all like original art. It hasn't been sort of just imported from China or something like that. This person draws them all, like paints them all. She's like super duper clever. So jump on over and have a look at her profile because there's some really cool things to come. So the reason I've got you here obviously is because we did a juicy session yesterday. We did the Borrow My Brain 90 minutes. And well, I guess where do I even start? How are you going with digesting everything after we spoke?
I actually spent most of today implementing a lot of the stuff that we put together yesterday. So, yeah, I have to say afterwards I felt a little overwhelmed because there's just so much great information. Yeah, but then when I woke up this morning, I was good to go, and I had all these brand new ideas, and I was so excited and so ready to start actually doing that work. So, yeah.
Awesome. Well, I guess some people aren't really sure what to expect when they go into a session. Like I remember when we first even chatted, we had to go over, what a session's like and all that sort of thing. And there's a lot of people that are just sort of like, look, I'll do it anyway. I don't really know what's going to happen. But what would you say now that you've done one, a session is like? Like what is it like?
I think it's like getting all of the fluffy ideas in your head and working out, giving you the tools to work out what you're actually trying to do and what the best way to do that is.
Yeah.
I think that's the hardest thing is kind of got rough ideas of what to do and you can't see because I feel like it's given me perspective.
A perspective campaign. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And some cool tools to do things with as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, awesome. Um, what were your key takeaways? Like, what were your sort of just like aha moments that you were like, yes?
I think that I was kind of in a way thinking small still. Like I have the big idea and the big dream, but what I'm implementing is still small. And I guess it was seeing that from your perspective and going, okay, that's what I should be doing. Why? Um, yeah, I think that's my biggest takeaway today. Tiny things that the little hints that you gave me. I went into it straight away. Like if you get on social media, you'll see that I've started doing it already. Um, so
That's
for
so
me,
good.
it
You're
was.
breaking up a little bit, so sorry. I hope everyone can hear this all right, but it's a bit crackly, but I can hear what you're saying, so hopefully everyone else can too.
Yeah, so I guess my takeaway was the little things I didn't know, and then the big things that I knew of, honing it and expanding what I knew.
Oh, that's awesome. Love that. Um, so how do you think this session is going to help you get to your next steps now? Like now that you've sort of put some things together and worked some things out, do you see a much easier pathway now?
Yeah, I definitely think there's a much easier pathway. And I feel more confident in the path now, which I think is a big thing too.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. So I kind of feel like, okay, I've got this sort of timeline process that started today. And yeah, I feel like that's giving me each little broken down moment to kind of get to. And I feel like I can.
That's amazing. Love it. So two questions merged into one. Would you recommend it to others, and what sort of people would you recommend it for?
I would definitely recommend. I think there's so much to get out of it. I think for someone like me I think for someone like me who has a little bit of an idea and then really needs to kind of cut it out, it's great. But I also think for someone who has absolutely no idea to you would really help some work it where do we start, how to get there.
Yeah. Yep. Because
Uh,
it's well, I guess it's all custom, isn't it? So like everything, there was no like readouts or anything like that. It was all just sort of like, what do you need to do for your business?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Who do I recommend it to? I'd recommend it to anyone who has a small business who's willing to kind of work it all out, or has a doesn't even have to really be a business person, but somebody who's wanting to understand more about engaging their audience, um,
And wants to do more, I guess.
yeah, wanting to do more. Yeah, definitely.
That's cool. I think that's it. In a sentence, I don't even know what this one is, I'm making it up. In a sentence, what is it like working with Chromatical as a brand?
It's like working with a smarter, better version of myself.
Oh, that's the best compliment ever. Yeah, that's so cool.
Super easy to talk to, super relatable, explains everything in terms I can understand. I feel like it's working with a friend who, you have an immediate connection. I felt assured from the moment we first spoke. So yeah, I
That's
think
the best.
it.
That's the best. That's all I've got. Thank you so much for like an amazing session, and B, like just supporting me, and doing a session and for doing amazing things. And just as I sort of said at the start, everyone listening, please go and follow this person because she actually really does incredibly new, inventive, creative, really cool things that are useful, and can transform like a really dull house into something freaking awesome. So yeah, recommend. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye.